Right now we've got Ricardo Bryan in the and Hedron Kennedy in the next.
Candy ticket. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. Don't let it.
All day. Right here. All right. Evolution in the next lane. Of the start is the supplementary lane.
Give a wave for him, man.